Get ready for a celestial treat. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of moon phases and what you can expect to see in the night sky on December 14th, 2025. But here's where it gets controversial, or at least, a little confusing for beginners. The moon's phases, unveiling the mysteries. As of this Sunday, the moon is in its waning crescent phase, according to NASA's daily moon observation. This means only 25% of the moon's surface is illuminated, creating a unique and captivating sight. But what does this phase look like? And what can you spot with your naked eye or some simple tools? Let's find out. Tonight's moon, a celestial showcase. Without any fancy equipment, you'll be able to observe Kepler crater and the Oceanus Procellarum. These features are visible due to the subtle lighting of the waning crescent phase. But if you have binoculars, the moon's surface reveals even more secrets. The Grimaldi Basin and Mare Humorum will come into focus, offering a more detailed view of the moon's terrain. And for those with telescopes, prepare to be amazed. Rainer Gamma, Schiller crater, and Gassendi crater will appear, providing a truly breathtaking lunar experience. The moon's cycle, a journey through phases. NASA describes the moon's cycle as a fascinating 29.5-day journey, during which we witness its ever-changing phases. Even though we always see the same side of the moon, the sunlight hitting it shifts as it orbits Earth, creating the illusion of a full, half-lit, or hidden moon. This cycle consists of 8 main phases, each with its own unique characteristics. New moon. The moon is positioned between Earth and the Sun, resulting in a dark side that's invisible to our eyes. Waxing crescent. A small sliver of light appears on the right side, northern hemisphere, marking the beginning of a new lunar cycle. First quarter. Half of the moon is lit on the right side, resembling a beautiful half-moon. Waxing gibbous. More than half of the moon is illuminated, but it's not quite full yet. Full moon. The entire face of the moon is brightly lit and fully visible, a truly awe-inspiring sight. Waning gibbous. The moon starts to lose light on the right side, northern hemisphere, signaling the beginning of its descent towards darkness. Third quarter, or last quarter, another half-moon, but this time, the left side is illuminated. Waning crescent. A thin sliver of light remains on the left side before the moon goes dark again, completing its cycle. And this is the part most people miss. Each phase offers a unique perspective and an opportunity to connect with the cosmos. So, will you be joining us on this lunar adventure? What's your favorite moon phase, and why? Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's spark a conversation and celebrate the beauty of the night sky together.